Ayaw sumagot. Ayaw mong sumagot. Hi sir, this is the driver of Lala Move. Sir, I'm here at Wanyali, Cambridge, but the receiver did not answer my call. Cambridge, Kainta. I'm already here, sir, but the receiver did not answer my call. Okay, sir, thank you. Palaban tayo ng English doon mga lodi ah. Gamit natin ang ating English, limited English. Hello. Okay, thank you. Galit pa yata. Hi, sir. What's your name, sir? What's your name? Okay. Here. Yeah, it's me.
Truth will set be free.
What country you from? Oh, wow, long. Very far from Philippines. How long you live here in Philippines? 7 months. They have a lot of foreigner here in Philippines because they have a lot of beautiful girl.
Yes, I don't know if this is true or false.
You have a girlfriend here, Filipina? You are. Oh. Okay, thank you, sir. Have a good day. Palaban yung mga English natin, mga lodi, mga English di bola pa. Bahalang magkabuyoy-buyoy ta basta masabtan. Humana ta mga lods. Ole na ta ni. Dugay na pati siya nagpuyo dire. Wa pa siya nakitag uyab. Wa pa'y nakakita sa yaa. Negative 29 na tayo mga lodi. Tapa pa na natin yan.